I won't act like a steering. I won't act like msazonyisa. I won't act like bazonya.
Molweni namkelekile nonke kwezi Chisave Entertainment guys akasagowi uyadibatsha uTirelo kwi-social media platforms ever since the airing of episode 1 of Izingane Zesithembu. But before guys singene emgoweni kaTirelo khona umntu thizeni oye wandi inboxa wathi yolo engathi ingoduso ka-DJ Mpumza ndiyayazi nanku then wandisendela esi sithombe ezisibona guys kuyatunyetshwa apha uTirelo ne-alleged ngoduso banxibe impahla ezifana matching outfits guys. So uthi lo mntu nguMancube nguye lona afihliweyo phayana kwibhena yezingane zesithembu. So khona abathi hayi ingathi ingalo zaba bantu azifani ingalo zalo Mancube esimsendelweyo apha azifani nengalo zalona afihliweyo question mark. But also guys izingane zesithembu zishute last year, it might be that uluze iweight okanye ugenile. Khona abathi masijongeni nasemabeleni amabele aba bantu akalingani, lona ahayidwe question mark phayana kwibhena yezingane zesithembu makhulu kwaye lona ngoku ame eca kwaTirelo ingathi unamabele amancinci. Yes, mhlambe it was just a coincidence intoba batumechile on that said day. They decided intoba let us just take a picture together, but without intoba ngunkosikazi. But asazi noba lo mntu isource yethu, our very own source ithathephi lento, why would they even lie about it? But that is what we were sent. Anyways guys, back to umgowo kaTirelo. After episode 1 erile echaza intoba yena akekho happy kulaa mjolo, watshintsha ngoku wayoba yimbongi ku-Instagram. Nansi ipoem awayibhalayo after the airing of episode 1. Uthi hlukanani ngokundibiza umntu ostrongo. Mandiyifundile poem. Don't call me strong, stop praising my strength. I've been fighting and forgiving for so long, it's exhausting, not empowering. I've defended and stood alongside the very same people who've broken me. My loyalty at times has felt like the punchline. You may see someone resilient, brave even, but you don't know how afraid I've been, how alone I've felt. If there's a warrior inside of me, it weeps. When no one was looking, I shook in ways that are far from heroic. I'm torn in two. The half of me that's proud fights for the things the other half believes make me a fool. It's so hard to stay, yet I don't want to leave. And just because I didn't walk away, it doesn't mean it doesn't hurt to rebuild bridges I never would have burned. I'm still sewing close the wounds of painful lessons they had to learn. I search for encouragement in places with bullet holes shot through it. The same place I kept my pride is the place they left their knife. I'm sorry, but I'm still bleeding. And none of this feels like strength to me. Niyayiva ke khanike nitolekelane kwi-comment section because i-powerful lento ethethwa apha. But anyways guys, your thoughts, let's engage and zonbona on the next. Bye.